Remove covers.
First, remove the covers on the exterior mirror and the interior controls. Both covers are simply clipped in and can be pried off. Be careful at the interior control panel to avoid breaking the cover.
Find screws.
The door panel is attached to the door with 4 screws. The first 2 screws are located under the cover of the interior door handle. The cover is simply clipped in and can be pried off. Remove the underlying screws. The third screw is easily accessible at the bottom of the trim. Remove screw. The fourth screw is easily accessible at the rear end of the panel. Remove screw.
Remove door panel.
Once the screws have been removed, the panel is only attached to the door with clips. Release the clips by pulling hard and sharply on the trim. Here, using a disassembly tool is advantageous because it allows you to selectively pry out the individual clips. Remove any clips remaining in the door and reuse them if necessary. Unfortunately, sometimes the trim can break at the clip mounting points. If that's the case, it can be repaired with a suitable adhesive. Links in the description. Once all the clips have been released, simply unplug the electronics.
Remove side view mirror.
Once the door panel is removed, you can unplug the connector for the exterior mirror. The screws for the wing mirror are located under the self-adhesive films. Now just remove the screws, and the mirror can be taken off.